मित्रांनो, परीक्षेमध्ये जास्तीत जास्त गुण मिळविण्यासाठी सततचा सराव खूपच महत्त्वाचा असतो. आम्ही बनविलेले व्हिडिओज जर आपण पुन्हा पुन्हा पाहिले व शेवटपर्यंत पाहिले तर नक्कीच त्याचा खूप फायदा होईल. आपण टॉप स्कोरर बनाल, कारण प्रॅक्टिस मेक्स मॅन परफेक्ट. मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगल्यात चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.
Dear students, now learn the question answers of lesson number 12, Progression of the Empire. Question number 1, answer in one word. 1. She took the charge of the Indore administration. Answer, Ahilyabai Holkar. 2. The most capable and brave man in Bhosle family of Nagpur. Answer, Raghuji Bhosle. 3. He reinstated the emperor on the throne of Delhi. Answer, Mahatji Shinde. 4. He managed the politics in South. Answer, Nana Fadnavis. Question 2. Arrange chronologically. The Battle of Asti, Maratha dominance over Odisha. The British flew the Union Jack in Pune. Answer, 1. Maratha dominance over Odisha. 2. The British flew the Union Jack in Pune. 3. The Battle of Asti. Question number 3. Write briefly. 1. The work done by Ahilyabai Holkar. Answer, 1. Ahilyabai Holkar's husband Khanderao died in the Battle of Kumbheri, and her father-in-law Mallarao also passed away. 2. Therefore, Ahilyabai assumed the reins of the Indore administration. 3. She was a capable, astute, and excellent administrator. 4. She brought more land under cultivation, digging wells for farmers, promoting trade and industry, building lakes and tanks. 5. She built temples, ghats, muds, dharmashalas, drinking water facilities at all important places. 6. She looked into judicial matters personally and dispensed justice. 7. She ruled for 28 years and enhanced the Maratha prestige in the north. 2. The valor shown by Mahatji Shinde. Answer, 1. After Ranoji's death, his sons Jayappa, Dattaji and Mahatji too proved their valor and strengthened the Maratha rule in the north. 2. Mahatji was a brave general and an astute statesman. After the Maratha defeat at Panipat, he realized that the guerrilla tactics of the Marathas would not be suitable for the warfare in the plains of the north. 3. He trained his army and modernized his artillery under the guidance of a French military expert, de Boigny. With the help of this trained army, he subdued the Rohillas, the Jats, and the Rajputs and the Bundelas. 4. British managed to get Diwani rights of Bengal province and wanted to capture the Emperor of Delhi. 5. Though it happened just after the defeat of Panipat, Mahatji Shinde defeated the British and reinstated the emperor on the throne. 3. The Maratha rule in Gujarat. Answer. Khanderao Dabhade and his son Trimbakrao laid the foundation of Maratha power in Gujarat. After the death of Khanderao, his wife Umabai routed the Mughal Sardar of Ahmedabad. She conquered the fort there. Question number 4. Discuss the reasons behind the end of Maratha rule. Answer. 1. At that time, Bajirao II, the son of Raghunath Rao, was the Peshwa. He did not have leadership qualities and had many vices. 2. He was unable to unite the Maratha Sardars. The internal strife between the Sardars weakened their power. 3. The Maratha influence in the north and the south waned further. 4. The British captured Pune in 1817 and hoisted their flag, Union Jack. 5. In 1818, the British defeated Marathas in the Battle of Asti in Solapur district, and finally the Maratha power came to an end.
मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.